So the reason why we are using the horizontal line is that, so from y0, I know that I go to y1. And then I want to know, well, from y1, where will I go? So for that, I need to put y1 on the x-axis. And the 45-degree line allows me to do that because the 45-degree line is where the vertical is equal to the horizontal. So I'm going right to find y1 on the horizontal line, which helps me to find it on the x-axis. And then I know that from y1 I go to y2, and then again horizontal, and then again vertical, and then again horizontal. That makes sense? Is it clear for everybody? It would be better if we were all on the same page that we have that here. This is not obvious. It's not meant to be obvious. Just to, yeah.
I don't understand why we're y0 to y1.
So the first one you mean?
Oh, is that because that's the...
That's the capacity curve, exactly. That's your y0 is what you start from. And then the curve gives us what is the relationship between income today and income tomorrow. So think of it with the food example. You start with some income. You eat it. You decide how much to eat. Let's say you eat 80% of it. You eat it. That gives you some strength. You go work. That gives you some wage. That's your income from work.
And then when we're determining the distance when you move to like the right between like y0 and y1, is that determined just by the distance from the curve to the 45-degree line?
Exactly. So y0 goes to y1. So do you understand the first vertical step here, right? y0 goes to y1 for the first vertical step. And then we're looking for y1 on the horizon, so we have y1 on the vertical axis, but now we need to find a way to put it back on the horizontal axis. And the 45-degree line helps us to do that, because on the 45-degree line, the vertical distance is the same as the horizontal distance. So the horizontal line is just a trick to help us find where is y1 on the horizontal axis, which helps us go to y2. That makes sense? So from y0, I go to y1 vertically. That's just the capacity curve. Then the horizontal line is just to tell us what is the new y0. The new y0 is y1. And then again, we go vertically to y2, horizontally to find it on the horizontal axis, vertically, etc. Yeah.
What's the unit of time?
The unit of time is whatever we think is the right unit of time, depending on the problem we're looking at. So for example, if it's food, that might be the day. If it's the income of your children, that might be a generation. In some sense, once we have decided what the problem we're looking at, the unit of time doesn't really matter. We adjust to it.